First, we're going to start off with foundation. Concealer for a little bit more coverage. Now just set the concealer. I'm just going to set the parts where I have the concealer so my face doesn't look too matte. So now for eyebrows, since we're going for a soft girl look, I want soft and fluffy eyebrows. So I'm just going to take an eyebrow pencil. Usually these come out to be a little bit more natural looking than an eyebrow pomade. And then just going with the natural shape of my eyebrows, filling in the more sparse areas, and then doing hairline strokes upwards once it gets closer to the inner parts of my eyebrows. And then just brush out any harsh lines. For this look, I want kind of a softer tone look, so I'm going to be using a lot of peaches and pinks. So first taking a light peachy orangey color and just placing that in the outer corner. And then just going right into the crease. And I'm gonna blend this color pretty high up. This is gonna be a nice transition color for the darker eyeshadows I'm gonna be using. Now just the lower lash line and just going about halfway. Now I'm gonna take a more hot pink color and blend that into the outer corner. And we are really gonna focus this in the outer corner of the crease. And then just blending whatever's left on your brush into the crease. I'm gonna take that eyeshadow and just focus that in the outer corner of the lower lash line. And then just to open up the eyes a little bit more, I'm gonna add a champagne shimmery eyeshadow just right on the center, right here. Now I'm just gonna draw on my eyeliner. I'm going for a softer look, so I'm gonna use brown instead of black. And I'm just gonna start in the outer corner here. Wing that out. And I'm just gonna go about halfway, just because I do have hooded eyelids, so I don't want to overwhelm my eyelids a little too much. Now curl your lashes and add mascara. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some eyelashes. I personally like big eyelashes, but if you don't, if you're not a huge fan or a fan of eyelashes at all, you can just add mascara and curl your lashes. That's totally fine. So eyelashes are on. Now I'm just gonna contour my face. Just going on the sides of my nose here. And then the tip of my nose. I'm just gonna go up from my nostril, just right across my nose for a button nose look. My cheekbones here, just for some definition. And I'm gonna take some of that contour and just go right across my nose like this. And I'm gonna draw on some faux freckles on top of this, but layering on a layer of the contour color makes it look a little bit more natural. Now I'm just going to be using my eyebrow product to draw on the faux freckles. I'm just applying the dots and then blending it out with my fingers, and you want to make them all different sizes just because freckles usually don't all have the same size. So now I'm just lining my lips with a lip liner, and I'm using a color that's the closest to my natural lip color. So now that I have the lip liner on all over my lips, I'm just going to take the lip color that I want and just pat it in with my fingers. For this type of look, I like a more blotted lip look, so That's why I'm just applying with my fingertips. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to IPSY, and I'll see you guys later.